In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock objects on Miro. This process can be immensely helpful in ensuring your board remains organized and secure from unwanted changes. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working solo, locking objects prevents them from being accidentally moved or edited, maintaining the integrity of your workspace. Let's walk through this together. To start, navigate to your Miro board where the specific element or object you want to secure is located. Miro's intuitive interface makes this process straightforward, even if you're new to the platform. First, you need to find the element in question. Simply click on it to highlight it. You'll notice that when you select an object, a bounding box with adjustment handles appears around it. This indicates that the object is currently active and ready for any action you might want to take. Once you've highlighted the element, it's time to lock it in place. Go ahead and initiate a right-click using your mouse or trackpad. This action opens a contextual menu directly related to the object you're working with. In this menu, you'll see several options related to the element's properties and settings. What we're focusing on here is the lock option. By selecting this, you ensure that the element is no longer mutable. It's fixed in place and safe from any inadvertent movements or edits. Locking objects is incredibly beneficial, particularly when you have multiple collaborators accessing the same Miro board. It prevents overlap, unwanted alterations, and potential confusion amongst team members as everyone navigates through the shared space. Plus, if you decide later on that changes are needed, you can simply unlock the object by right-clicking and selecting the Unlock option from the same menu. This gives you flexibility without sacrificing order. One quick tip: while locking elements is a great way to maintain structure, remember to communicate with your team about what's been locked and why. Good communication ensures that everyone is on the same page and can accommodate the locked elements into their workflow accordingly. Miro's efficient design ensures that sharing ideas and collaborating in real time is as seamless as possible, and mastering techniques like locking objects further enhances your experience. By following these steps, you're one step closer to making your Miro board not just a place for ideas, but a well-oiled machine that efficiently supports creativity and productivity. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you keep your Miro workspace organized and functional. Remember, a little bit of structure can go a long way in optimizing collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy working on Miro!